Yeah, is it visible? My screen I have opened about it.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, so we'll just continue our session. So before going to start our session, just introduce myself. Okay, so yeah, hi everyone, good morning. So welcome to our Pega CDH demo session. So my name is Jansi, and so here we are going to discuss about all the related topics for the CDH. Okay, so whenever if you are interested to learn CDH, what are the things are needed? Okay, before going to start our technical sessions, what are the stuff which we have to maintain? So all the things we'll cover, and here generally during this entire journey, so we have to cover all the real time related interview scenarios only. So I have worked on different projects, okay, which are covering with the different industries like banking domain, insurance, and healthcare related. Okay, so whenever if you are working on different projects, we will get a chance to covering of all the different rules, right? So in this CDH, I have worked on extensively for next best action strategies, okay, and models also there. Along with that, we'll be having some container related concepts, okay, and data flows, data sets, some kind of modeling related concepts, okay. So here my entire goal in this training period, it's not just teach you the features of CDH, okay, so but I'll help you to understand how it is working in the backend, okay, along with in the real time business use cases, how you have to add these different features of CDH, okay, and by end of this training, okay, so how you have to become like a job ready or a project ready, means your profile should be ready after completing this training period, okay, so that whether you are completely new to Pega CDH or already you have some idea, that is okay, okay, but I'll cover everything from fundamentals only, because here few people we, who they don't know anything about CDH, right? So that we will cover all the points from scratch only, and from fundamentals to advanced concepts we'll discuss with the hands-on scenarios. Okay, so we'll just start with our learnings. So that's it from my end. If I have to introduce myself, so yeah, and about you also, if you're okay, you can introduce, and then we can start our session. So based on your profile, I can cover our points, right? Is Bhavya, Baski, Sunil, Likita, Neha, Ravishankar, Rani, Thiru. So any of you, you can introduce yourself like you are working, you are very new to this CDH. What?
Hi, I'll start my side.
Yes, yes, you can.
Myself, Sethpati. I have a 7 years of experience. I've been working in Pega platform PRPC only since the past 7 years.
Okay,
So,
okay.
is learning for I want to start the new project. So,
Hmm.
just for my knowledge, I joined the sessions.
Okay, okay. So no problem. So you are very new to CDH. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Then what about others? Just give me the confirmation once.
This is Baskin.
Yeah,
So,
I'm Bhavya here. So
Okay,
yeah, I
Bhavya.
also have a also having a Pega experience of 8+ years into
Okay.
PRPC.
Okay.
Yes, I worked even Launchpad and stuff. I do have a knowledge on CDH, but yeah, I need to deep dive into the CDH, so I'm
Okay.
here.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Done. Yeah. So yes, Bhaskar.
I have a total of 15 years, but I'm from a database background, completely on database and
Okay.
infrastructure. Recently, I
Mm-hmm.
got moved to the Pega, so I have to start looking to Pega program also. So,
Okay.
so I'm really new to this Pega world.
Okay. Okay. So you have knowledge on Pega or completely for PRPG also you are new?
It's a little new for me completely.
Okay, okay. So we'll cover that point also. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks.
And Likita, what about you?
Yeah, I'm having 3.5 years of Pega experience, not in
Okay,
development. As a Pega support, I am working currently.
okay, okay,
I am totally new to this CDH.
okay, good. Neha and Ravi Shankar. Okay, so Priyabrata, you can also introduce yourself.
Yeah, myself Priyabrata. So I have also 7+ of years in Pega and
Okay,
2 years of experience in Java. So
okay,
currently, I also put it into a CDS project where I just want to start working on CDS. So I joined this session.
okay, 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 good. So Ravi Shankar and Ravi Rani, you are interested to share your profile, or shall we proceed with our discussion?
Yeah, Jens. Same
Yes,
here.
yes.
I'm having almost 3.8 years experience.
In Pega
Uh,
only, CDH or overall?
in Pega, I'm having 3 years.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
I'm working in same both Pega and Java parallelly. Like
okay,
for
okay.
Java,
So you also very new to CDH, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So okay then done.
I think.
So okay, okay, no problem, Rani. So we'll start our session with our discussions. So as of now, all of you are very new to CDH, right? So here in this remaining, we have 50 minutes of time, right? So we'll see for first 20 to 25 minutes, okay, about generally frequently asked questions, okay. So means so many questions we may get, right? So we'll discuss about frequently asked questions. That means if you have to learn CDH, generally what are the prerequisites we need to have, okay. Then what is the training procedure, and what is the training duration, like this there are so many questions. Do we have to practice in any personal edition, or we have any other options, like this we'll discuss. After that we'll just start with next 25 minutes about what is CDH, okay. So in this CDH, what are core points we have to know, okay. All the things we'll just give a start. So for every 5 to 10 minutes, I'll just take a confirmation from everyone, is it okay with my flow, okay. Then according to that, please just try to respond, okay. Then only I can proceed further, right? Even without understand anything, if I cover this entire session, there is no meaning, right? So that for every 5 to 10 minutes, I'll just take a confirmation based on the concept, okay. So yeah, we'll just continue our session. So my screen visible, everyone? So have listed questions here. Then first we'll discuss about these questions. And still, apart from this, if you have any queries regarding your feature, like while learning this CDH, if you have any queries, you can ask. Okay. So we'll just start this one. So whenever you are trying to learn Pega CDH, what are the prerequisites generally we need to have? Okay. So if you are learning Pega CDH, we need to have the knowledge on CSA concepts. Okay. So generally, what are the concepts of CSA? Means we need to know about at least how to create properties, sections. Okay. What are flows? Okay. Then what are logical related rules like data transform rules? Okay. And activities related to decision rules, okay. And d pages also we are using. Along with that, some other rules which we have to know, those are integration rules, okay. So that as a CDH decisioning consultant, first of all, we need to have the hands-on knowledge with these CSA concepts. Okay, so that there are two ways whenever you are learning Pega. Okay, there are different ways you can design your profile. First, you can learn CSA, and then you can learn CSSA, and then you can do LSA, right? Otherwise, you can do CSA and you can do CPDC certification and you can do some lead decisioning architect. Okay, so there are different ways, but the mandatory one which you have to know is this CSA core concepts, because while we are working with CDH related concepts, first of all, you need to know about properties, configurations, okay, and then the flow design. If you have the knowledge, then while you are designing the strategy, you can easily understand what are these strategy shapes are available, what is the purpose of this shape, and how to add that particular shapes. Like this, all these things you will get some idea whenever if you have the knowledge on Pega CSA. Okay, so without having any knowledge for like to learn CDH, without having any knowledge on Pega CSA at least, you can't able to get the points. Okay, so then the thing which you have to do is you just start learning Pega CSA. If already you have work experience, that's fine. Okay, but if not, you are very new to Pega CDH, then just give a start with, okay, Pega CSA concepts. Pega CSA concepts. Then this also you can cover by taking either videos help, okay, by taking videos help, or you can join for the live batch also. Then after some 30 to 40 days of your Pega PRPC training, then you can start with the CSA. Okay, getting my point? Clear this point, everyone? So here, first of all, you need to, yes, Rani, that's what I'm covering. So here, Kumaran, no, here Harsha is not the trainer for CDH, okay? Because he'll take care about the Pega CSA and CSSA, because every day he's going to teach for 5 batches, right? So from morning 7 to 10 and evening and along with the afternoon session. So he's completely occupied with the Pega sessions, okay? But I'll take care about this Pega CPDC, okay? So Rani, you are asking if I don't have any CSA knowledge, can I still learn CPDC? Means, so I can say like, if you have some prior knowledge at least about CSA, then only you can better to start with the CPDC. Okay, because if you don't know about anything, then even just to start your enterprise mission also you may feel difficult. Okay, so that just you can start with the CSA learning and then you can continue with the CDH. But for today, just listen this session, then you will get some idea, right? What is this CDH and all? You can just listen the session, and other way also I have explained, right? So you can take the help of videos, and then by covering that sessions and attending these sessions simultaneously, you can finish it, no problem. Learning CSA is not that big thing, you can just give a start, okay, no problem. And so, which version of course we are going to cover? Generally, in the previous versions, we'll be having different, like 8.6 version, 8.7 version, okay, 8.8 version. Like this, we'll be having for CDH also. But nowadays, they have introduced 24 version, and this 24 version also little bit enhanced with 24.1 and 24.2. So our entire training period for next 45 days to 2 months, we are going to work on this 24.2 version. Okay, because they have added new features here. Those are related to some kind of analysis purpose. Okay, some kind of analysis. So to send better offers. Okay, so to send better offers to the customer by analysis, by doing some analysis, you can send some better offers to the customer, so that there are new features are introduced like impact analyzers. Okay, and we'll be having value finders, scenario planners. Okay, so like this, there are so many new features they have added. So all these things we will cover in our sessions. That's what we are going to work on 24 version. Okay, so this question clear? So we are going to work on 24 version. Now our next question, how the market situation for Pega CDH means, whenever if you are learning Pega CDH, how the market situation means, when if you learn it, how to get into CDH job role, right? So generally, whenever if you have 5 plus years or 4 plus years of experience with your CSSA, means with Pega PRPC, along with this PRPC knowledge, if you have added CDH as additional knowledge with minimum 2 years also fine. Okay, so 2 years of minimum experience also fine. Then overall, if you have 5 plus, among that you can add 3 and a half relevant to PRPC, and relevant to CDH you can add 2 to 2.5. That's also fine. So even nowadays we'll be having opportunities for Pega CDH for minimum 2 to 3 years of experience, but minimum 6 months like that they are not taking. So you need to keep your experience for minimum 2 to 3 years. Okay, then how many years of experience we can keep in our resume, that point I have covered. So that we have to add experience for the CDH minimum 2 to 3 plus you can add. Okay, but when you are adding this 2 plus to 3 years, you need to make sure that you have to know all the rules. Means we'll be having some kind of strategy implementations. Okay, so this is very important, strategy implementations, and we'll be having some other rules related to channels. Okay, and we'll be having campaigns. So all these things you have to maintain some knowledge. Then there is no worries. You can just add your profile with 2 to 3 years of experience. Okay. Then here our next question: how to do practice? Okay. Is there any personal addition to do practice? Means if you are learning Pega CSA and CSSA to work with 8.7 version till 8.7 version, there is personal edition option available, right? But to work with Pega CDH applications, you need to work on cloud edition. Okay, means in your cloud you can able to work on, getting my point? So you have to log into your PDN account, and then from this PDN account you need to open the machines. Okay, then related to these missions will be having challenges. Okay, so from any of the challenge, if you start your application creation, so for every day you have to take a zip file. Okay, why the reason I'm telling you to take a zip file means, for every 2 days to 3 days that instance will be reset. Okay, then whatever the work you are doing, that will be erased. So that to avoid that kind of situations, we need to take a zip file, and you have to work on cloud edition. Okay, so that thing if I have to show it, just you have to log into any of the browser. Okay, just search for pdn.pega.com. If you search like this will allow you to log into PDN account. Then if you have any personal email, with this personal email also you can create your PDN account. And then whatever the PDN account, the mail you have provided, the Gmail you need to add here. Okay. If you click on next, it is asking you to provide the password. Okay. After adding the password, 1 minute. So it is taking some time. Okay, so this is how your Pega community related uh, looks like. Okay, then how you wanted to navigate to your course. Okay, so here we'll be having a training related dashboards, right? So if you click on this training, and you'll be having my dashboard. Okay, and if you click on my dashboard, if you have added any course related missions, that is fine. If you didn't have added anything, then you can search for the course. Okay, suppose decisioning consultant, then if you're clicking on this will provide you some mission challenges. Okay, so like this, you'll be having decisioning consultant course, and there is a certification related exam help. Okay, and related to trainings in the different modules. Okay, so in the same way you can open this decisioning consultant course, and here I have already added this one, so that's what it is showing me deleted. But you'll be having a plus icon. Okay, whenever you are clicking on the plus icon, you can able to add this mission which is related to decisioning consultant to your dashboard. Then you can able to access that very easy. Okay, then after opening these mission challenges, you'll be having different missions. Okay, for different purposes. This is helping you to know about the fundamentals. Okay, and along with that you can able to work on fundamental related rules creations. Okay, along with cross sell on web. Then this mission will be having different related challenges. Okay, and modules also. So module will help you with the theoretical points explanation. Challenges will help you with the practical implementation. Then if you want to work with any practicals, you just have to launch any of your challenge. That is no problem, you can launch any of the challenge, and then you have to initialize your challenge. Okay, so here this will give you explanation about scenarios, right? Then if you click on this wake up instance, or if you click on reset instance, defaultly this will give you the options of launch. Okay, but previous time I have worked on this modules, right? So that's what it has given like wake up. But after 3 to 5 minutes, if you just restart this one, this will give you the option of launch instance. Okay, so about this one we'll see in the coming sessions. So if you wanted to work with the challenges, means if you wanted to do practice whatever the sessions we are covering in our regular sessions, practicals, this is the way you have to log into PDN account, and you need to do work. Okay, then what about certifications? Okay, then what are the certifications are needed to do here? If you wanted to go as a decisioning consultant, okay, then first you have to do CSA certification. This is a mandatory one. CSA certification you have to do, and even if you do CWSA also fine. Okay, plus mandatory one is Pega CPDC certification. Okay, means certified Pega decisioning consultant. This is a certification which you have to do if you wanted to go with the profile of Pega decisioning consultant. So clear everyone this point? Is this point clear?
Yes.
Yeah, 1 minute. and then, so what is the process of our training? Okay, so what we will cover here, generally, even for covering like just theoretical points and just by explaining all the related practicals, okay, this will take minimum 45 days of time, minimum 45 days of time. But what I'll do in my training procedure, I will help you with screenshot documents, okay, with screenshot documents. Then it is taking some more days, okay, means along 2 months to 2 months 1 week, okay, like this, because including all the holidays, festive seasons, including all the things, it will take 2 months to 2 months 1 week, like that, because we have to cover everything from fundamentals to advanced concepts, along with providing screenshot documents if you are doing any practical, okay. So by covering each concept, we have to do practical, okay. So that means that will help you to do the real time scenarios, okay. So this is how our process of training. So in this training we are going to cover everything, so that you can see here, this is our curriculum, okay. So Pega certified decisioning consultant for Pega infinity course, okay. Then these are the different rules we are covering, okay. So in the day one, means this is a demo session, again we have two more demo sessions. After that we have to start with, means from demo 2 itself we will just start with this all the concepts. So what is this NBA and decisioning versus marketing related one, what are the certifications we have to do, and in this CDH what are the portals we'll be having, okay. So like this NBA related framework, and what are the top strategies we'll be having, how it is hitting the NBA framework, okay. Like this all the things we'll discuss, and related to creating the applications, how to create the application. Once you create the application, so for which context, means what is the layer of application you are going to work on, that you have to define, and taxonomy definings. So as a initial session you don't know anything about these things, right? So after completing our sessions you can able to know all these concepts, like this. So related to this decision data, means prepositions, and creating some forms. So these forms are nothing but section related definings, so that's what I'm telling you. You have to maintain at least some prior knowledge about Pega CSA, okay. And then what are the strategies and different components inside of this strategy, and different decisioning terminologies. Even to start working on the projects, we have to know the technical terminologies, right? That all things we will cover. And related to models, these models will help you to analyze, okay. So by taking the help of some machine learning algorithms, these models will work, and this will help you to predict the score, okay. Means that score will help you to finalize the offers. And then the scorecard models, data sets related concepts, okay. So all these things we will cover. This is also one kind of model, text analysis and text extractor. And then marketing related concepts are segments, and then related to this population defining, okay. And doing work on different kinds of treatments. We'll be having email treatments, SMS, file, and DB. So all these things we are going to cover. So generally whatever the content we have added, we will cover all these things 100%. If what are the new latest features added, that will be take some more time. Getting my point? Clear everyone about this course curriculum,
Yes.
right?
Hey,
So
Jansi, how about the customer journeys? Do we have that in this?
yeah, that customer journey also we have added, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay, fine. I missed
Yeah, in
it.
this document. 1 minute, I'll just open that. So that's what, those are few features are newly added, right? So we have to update that content also. Okay, but I have added that customer journeys related. Those are part of technical terms. Okay, related to technical terms, but the order of discussion may be different. Whatever the content we have added, the order of discussion may be different because to provide the connectivity. Okay, so once if you learn one rule, what is the next rule to learn? Then if you are in the connectivity, you can easily understand the flow. Okay, so that's what here and there the order of discussion may be different, but we will cover all the concepts. Clear this point? Everyone clear, right? So can I proceed further?
Yes, may I also know the domain you're covering in this, like which
So
domain
we'll
you are
just
taking this in?
banking related, okay, related to
Okay.
banking domain. We'll see means just trying to promote different types of cards to the customer. Then
Mm-hmm.
how you're finalizing which offers are suitable to the customer. Like this, all these things will cover. Okay, by taking one domain, we'll just discuss with all the scenarios and how to use all the rules. Okay,
Okay.
so clear this.
Yes.
So as per this next question, what type of help will you get from the trainer? Okay, so I'll be available here for all the day. Okay, means we will create a WhatsApp group. Then in that WhatsApp group, after completion of your enrollments, we will add you in the WhatsApp group, right? So in that WhatsApp group, along with the admin, trainer also will be there. Okay. Then if you're most probably, I'll give you everything in that session only, along with that screenshots related explanation. But here and there if you are stucking it somewhere, okay, then you can just send me a screenshot. Okay, send me screenshot where you are stucking or what are the questions if you are getting in this WhatsApp group, you can ask. Okay, and then otherwise in that WhatsApp group my personal number added, right? So directly you can do message to my personal number, that is also fine. Okay, along with that, even after completing your training period, while doing your project, okay, sometimes here and there if you have some doubts, then that point also I'll do some help from my end. Okay, like this, providing interview question and answers, okay, interview documents, providing theory documents. Okay, by providing theory documents and practical screenshot documents I will provide. So most probably you will get all the content from our end, but the remaining thing from your end is doing the practice regularly and attending the sessions regularly. Okay, so what about resume preparation? So by end of the training period, means after covering all the technical related concepts, we have to see about resume preparation, because how effectively you have prepared your resume, then only your resume will be picked, right? So that's what about this resume preparation also we'll see. And mock interviews, so if you're okay to give for every 10 days, okay, or for every 15 days, you can schedule your mock interview till whatever the rules you have, like we have covered. Suppose in 1 week we may cover 3 to 4 rules, right? So means from Monday to Friday we'll have to connect, right? So overall 5 days of session. So in these 5 days most probably we can cover 3 to 5 concepts, right, based on the complexity. Then within 10 days we can cover some 6 to 10 concepts, correct? Then on this each concept you can give me interview. Okay, combining of all these concepts, you just schedule your interview and you can test your skill. Without testing the skill, even though we are attending the sessions regularly, that is not useful, right? So that's what, just you can give me the mock interview. Then what about the interview questions help means, we will provide you interview related question and answers document. Okay. Yeah. So this is about these frequently asked questions. Apart from this, if you have any questions from your end, you can ask. Otherwise, we can just start with this like a demo PPT. Yes, please. Any questions? And one more thing, is it okay with my flow, or am I going fast, or any speed issues? Let me know.
Yeah, Jansi, we are okay with your flow, but yeah, I just want to know how deep the course will be. Like, for example, I have attended a few interviews saying of just a year of experience in CDH, and I can say an example question if it is okay now at this point of time. I just need to
Do
know
Okay, do
if
one
it
thing,
covers.
Bhavya. You can connect
Mhm.
me after this session. Okay, then I'll just help you with all the things, because
Sure, yeah,
we
thank you.
have to give a start with the demo, right? That is
Okay, yeah,
okay. I
fine.
can consider your thing, but
Mm,
after this demo session, you can freely connect with me. Okay, then you
fine,
can
thank you.
understand, right, how deeply we are covering these
Yes,
sessions
yes,
and
yeah.
what are the concepts we are going to cover. You can able to
Okay,
understand. Okay, so we'll
okay.
just give a start with the demo PPT. Okay, then we'll
I have
just
one
see.
question, Jansi.
Yes,
So this
yes.
LDA role basically is, do you have certification or it is just a role
Yeah,
after
there
the?
is certification for that also. Means lead
Okay,
decisioning architect.
correct, correct. Like LSA, we have another certificate.
Yeah, so in the same way, here also we have a certification for this one. Okay,
Okay, okay, okay.
yeah. So I'm just opening this one. So here in this course, which we are trying to learn in the next 2 months, that is related to the certification of CPDC, right? Means Certified Pega Decisioning Consultant. Then in this training, what we are going to learn? Okay, so mainly you have to understand the logic of which is related to next best actions and next best offers. Okay, means first of all we have to understand this CPDC course generally divided into two parts. Okay, one is decisioning, another one is marketing. Okay, so what is this decisioning and what is this marketing? Let's say we'll take a simple example, okay, which is related to a domain of banking, let's say, because in the next coming sessions also we have to work on this banking related use cases, right? So it's better to just discuss about this banking related, and then we'll see other examples also. Okay, so here how you are implementing this banking related application by combining with your CDH. Okay, means here CDH is nothing but customer decision hub. Okay, customer decision hub. This is a framework. Okay, so this is a framework. Generally, what is the use of framework? This is a reusable part. Yes or no? By using the features of this framework, we can utilize that features and we can implement our business requirements. Yes or no? Right. So in this CDH application, there are different rules available for making the decisions. Okay. So what kind of decisions we can take? Let's say as part of this banking, you are trying to promote. Okay, you are trying to promote few offers which are related to some credit cards. Okay, then here as part of these credit cards we may have different cards, let's say, then standard card. Okay, we'll be having rewards card, and we'll be having visa card, travel related card. Okay, after that we'll be having premium rewards card. So here one thing which we have to understand, based on the customer profile. Okay, based on the customer profile and customer interest. Okay, customer interest, we have to promote our offers. Okay, we have to promote our offers instead of considering the customer preference. What will happen here? Okay, suppose here considering customer interest and customer profile, you can promote the best offers. Then what will happen if you promote a suitable offer? Okay, suitable offer to the customer, what will happen? There is a more chance to accept, yes or no, to accept the offer. Then what happened if he accept the offer? Obviously the sales of your organization, okay, sales of your organization will increase, yes or no. Along with that, growth of your organization also will increase. And then by providing the next like suitable options to the customer, there is increasing rate in your sales, then obviously revenue also increase, yes or no. End of the day, anyone for what purpose they are working? For money only, right? Yes or no. So obviously here in every organization, they'll try to promote their offers to increase their sales. By increasing their sales, obviously their revenue also will increase. Getting my point? So here, prior to this sending best suitable offers to the customer, they followed a traditional marketing approach. Okay, means what is this traditional marketing approach? They'll just share common offers. Okay, common offers to all the customers. Then few customers may reject the offer, few customers just they'll not respond to that particular offer, and some customers may accept. Okay, then what is the use of doing this kind of approach? Whatever the offer you are promoting, that may suitable to one profile, same offer may not be suitable to other offer, right? So may not be suitable to other person. So that's what recommending. Okay, recommending most suitable offer, most suitable offer to customer profile at given time. Okay, means what? I'll give you one example. Here, let's say you have purchased a laptop, okay, from Amazon application. Then as part of that Amazon application, if they provide some offers related to laptop charger, okay, laptop charger and laptop related headsets, and if they promote laptop bag, what will happen? What will happen at this point of situation? There is a scope. Sometimes customer might be interested towards to purchase the laptop bag. Then obviously what will happen? That offer which you have sent, that is suitable. Okay, then there is a chance of conversion rate, correct? But if you suppose, if you are trying to promote when customer purchased a laptop, but if you are promoting some mobile related plans, okay, means mobile phone if you are sending, and some kind of data package related offers you are sending, what will happen? Exactly at that time, means at that moment, that customer is not looking for the offers which are related to either mobile related plans or related to any travel related plans. Nothing, he is not looking for that. At that point of situation, whatever the things customer is looking for, or whatever customer purchased related to that offers, if you promote, there is a scope of increasing the sales. Getting my point? So all these things you can do finalize by using the decisioning rules. Getting my point? So this decisioning will help you to take the proper decisions. Okay, then what about this marketing? This marketing is nothing but whatever this decisioning finalized offers are there, this will be promoted using different channels. Okay, using different channels. So here marketing, like decisioning, you have to consider as brain of your CDH applications. Getting? Then this marketing will do whatever your decisioning is expressing, that will deliver using different channels. Okay, means you can reach out the customer using different channels like email. Okay, by sending the email, by sending SMS, or by displaying, sorry, by displaying offers on websites, right? So if you imagine, if you're the customer for HDFC bank, they'll just send you some offer related messages, right, through SMS or from email related, right? Then all these you have to understand, there is a decisioning and marketing related features they are using. Getting my point, everyone? Clear this point or not? Up to this one, getting or not? About marketing and decisioning. If you're clear, then we'll proceed with the explanation. Okay, so here, which we are going to learn about CDH, this is a framework. Along with the CDH frameworks, we have so many frameworks. Okay, like this, we'll be having customer service related frameworks, customer like dispute frameworks, we have order management frameworks, we have onboarding related frameworks, we have, means there are already features are available. Okay, just you have to know how to use that features, and using that features you have to implement the business requirements. Okay, so this is about this CDH. And then we have, what is the purpose of decisioning? Okay, then that point we have discussed, but technically if we have to look into the definition, so this Pega Decisioning is a AI driven customer decisioning engine. Means what? By combining AI features, those are nothing but predicting some score using scorecard models, predictive models, adaptive models, and some kind of text analysis, arbitration. Means these are technical rules, okay, along with the AI features. So the core decisioning rules you are trying to combine with the AI rules, okay, then you can achieve your business goals. Okay, so mainly you are using this decisioning here to determine, okay, mainly used to determine the most relevant offers for each customer. Okay, that option I have explained. If customer is trying to purchase a laptop, then you have to give suggestions relevant to laptop offers. Instead of that, if you are promoting some other offers at that point of situation, that is not suitable to the customer. Okay, so whenever if you are providing a suitable offers, this will maximize the business outcomes. As I explained, what is a maximum outcomes? Means the conversion rate will be increased. Obviously, if conversion rate increased, finally your sales also increase. Sales increased means revenue increased. Okay, so while delivering the personalized customer offers at your business level, then you can increase your sales. Okay, so by doing a proper decisioning, what will happen? Growth of your organization will increase, sales also increase, and then retention. Means there are different purposes doing the promotions. Means for growth of your organization you can do promote your offers, for sales you can promote your offers. Retention means if the customer is already existed with your organization, but sometimes he may wanted to leave your organization, then you have to send some kind of retention offers. Means you have to keep that customer with your organization only instead of leaving customer from your organization, because if the customer leave your organization, obviously sales will go down, right? So that's what, there are different purposes, okay, that you have to know. So this is about decisioning, and we have marketing, right? So whatever the decisioning will tell you to do, that you have to do with the marketing, okay. So offers which are finalized by the Pega decisioning, we will deliver through the different channels for different customers, okay. That is what about this Pega marketing. Then what are the channels are there to deliver? So email channels, mobile channels, web channels, call center related one, okay, SMS related, like this we have so many channels. Then you need to know the purpose of each channel, okay. If you are sending to email, that email related UI you have to design, okay. Then personalized offers delivered directly to the customer inboxes. Means if you are using this email to the customer email inbox, you are sending the offer related, okay. If you are using mobile plans like a mobile related applications and mobile channels, then on your mobiles using this SMS you can send some notifications, getting my point. And websites, suppose if you are logged into your net banking, at somewhere in your website you can able to see some offers related, right? Suppose if we see, go here, okay. So net banking login screen with offers. So here you can see, whenever you are logging into your net banking application, they'll try to promote some other offers, okay. So here you have some offer, right? Whenever you are trying to log into your application, they are trying to promote some other offer, okay. So then you are trying to upgrade your organization by promoting offers using different channels, getting. So that using website or call center, means sometimes because of some issue customer contacted your organization, okay, using this call center application. Then at that point of time customer needed your help, then you are doing that help. After doing that help, after issue is sorted out, then you have to give a start of promoting your offers, okay. Then by doing promotions with different channels, obviously sales of your organization will increase, getting. Then the next core point which you have to understand is NBA and NBO. Okay, so here what is this NBA or what is NBO? Next best action or next best offers. Okay, so what is this next best action or next best offer here? Just understand the thing. What are the things? Okay, what is the best thing you can do for the customer now? That is the next best action. And what is the next best offer? Means what is the best offer? Okay, you can give the customer now. So next best action is at this current situation, means providing or promoting right offers. Okay, right offers to the right customer at right time. Getting my point? Then this NBA will help you to finalize the offers. Then what about this NBO? Means this will help you to finalize what are the best options at this point of time to that customer. This will help you. Okay, so if we have to see some kind of business use cases, let's say you have a requirement. Okay, you are trying to promote some kind of offers. Here itself you can see you are trying to promote your laptop. At this point of time, laptop charger, laptop bag, these are the next best actions. Instead of that, if you promote some kind of travel related offers or some kind of clothing related offers, if you promote, those are best offers only, but not next best actions, means not next best offers. Getting my point? So here NBA is the next best action, the most relevant offer you are sending to the customer at the right time. Okay, so here action may be anything, that might be the offer, that might be a message, that might be related to some services. Okay, some kind of service, whatever it may be. Some examples if we have to see for NBA, some related to updating your profile. Okay, and set some saving related goals. Okay, or some kind of 10% offer on travel card, 5% discount on standard card. Like this you'll be having different cards, right? By promoting different cards to the customer, this will associated with the customer centric, means mostly this will target the customer needs. Okay, this will triggers for every customer interaction, means if customer log into the website, or if he log into the mobile application, or he is contacting through the call center, at runtime itself it is triggering the top level strategies in the backend. For what purpose? For finding the next best actions to the customer profile. Okay, by taking the customer data as input, you have to analyze, do the analysis and find out what are the next best offers. Getting my point? Everyone clear with this next best action and next best offer? Clear? So you can see even both are sounds like similar, next best action or next best offer, but there is a difference. Okay, taking the right action to the right customer at the right time is the next best action, means that is your goal. But next best offer means you are trying to give some offers. Okay, there is no mandatory thing. For increasing your sales you are trying to promote your offers, that's it. Then recommending some personalized offers or services to the customer, even at that point of situation, if customer is not needed, but to increase your sales, to increase your revenue, you are promoting, those you have to consider as next best offers. Okay, so what are the benefits by using this NBA? Means if you're sending appropriative offers, then what will happen? Customer experience will increase with your organization. Means customer will satisfy with your offers. Then increases the customer satisfaction by sending the relevant offers. Then relevant engagement also will increase. Okay, then higher conversion rate, means proper actions, means proper offers customer is receiving, if that is suitable then he can accept that, right? Means conversion rate will be increased. Okay, targeted actions which you are sending, that will improve the response rates. Then increasing in the revenue, means if conversion rate is increased, revenue also increased. Then feature like faster responses time enhances the customer engagement. Then you have to analyze the customer data. Then based on the customer data you have to send the faster responses. Okay, then why the business need this NBA? Means to maintain the customer engagements for longer time. Okay, for longer time, to maintain the customer engagements by providing on time offers and providing the best offers to the customer at the right time. This will help you for both organization as well as the customer. Okay, so that's what business needs the NBA as like next best action strategies. Okay, so here to send offers through different channels, there are different marketing related categories available. Those are inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Okay, so actually it's almost 8, right? So just give me 5 more minutes. Okay, then we can give some proper ending to this demo. Okay, so there are different marketing strategies related channels are there: inbound marketing and outbound marketing. So what is this inbound marketing means? Customer will reach out to you, means if customer is trying to log into a website for their net banking, means customer is contacting you. Okay, then at that point of time you have to display your offers. Okay, then what is outbound marketing? Using email from your application. Okay, by using Pega server or by taking some third party services help. Okay, you are sending emails to the customer or you are sending SMS to the customer, means you are reaching the customer. If customer reaching you, that is the inbound. If you are reaching the customer, that is the outbound. Okay, so if you customer reaching you via call center or website or retail centers, customer can reach out you. If it is outbound marketing, means using campaigns or using emails, SMS channels, you can reach the customer. Okay, then what are the different industries are using the CDH features? Means this is a framework, right? So in the real time industries, what are the domains using the CDH features here? Financial services, means banking related and insurance related companies. Okay, and then healthcare related domains, some kind of retail related domains, and telecom related domains also using this CDH features. Okay, so how in this financial services CDH features are helping? Okay, so personalizes the offers related to credit cards. Okay, and loans and some kind of investment products. Okay, like some kind of mortgage related loans if you wanted to take, or home loans or personal loans. Okay, or standard cards, debit cards, like this. And while you are using these financial services applications with the CDH, this will help you to detect the fraud detection, means by using some kind of engagement policies. Okay, means eligibility, applicability, suitabilities, all these are features of CDH. Okay, then, by using the inbuilt features, you can find out the best offers and is this customer is a genuine one or he's not a genuine one. Means is there any fraud is happening, like this you can find out. Okay, and then in the healthcare domains, you can send a personalized recommendations. Suppose if customer has any appointment, then related to that appointment reminder you can send by using this CDH features. And then suppose if customer is greater than age 60, okay, so he is suitable for senior citizenship related offers, then you can promote some kind of offers. Okay, like this related to healthcare domain. And retail banking, this is related to some kind of Amazon applications you can take. Okay, then creates personalized shopping experience across different channels, means increasing the bucket size with relevant product recommendations. Suppose if you are sending laptop related offers, if he bought a laptop, then there is a scope of buying laptop charger, laptop related headphones, and then laptop related stickers, everything, right? So that cart size will increase automatically price of the like a revenue of your organization also will increase. Telecom domain means there are some telecom domain related data package plans. Okay, if customer is now 4G plans he is using, then you can send some promotional offers for upgrading to 5G offers. Okay, now he is using some kind of 3 GB pack per day. Okay, let's say, then you can recommend to him using 5 GB. Okay, let's say, based on his requirements. Then what you are doing, if you wanted to do upselling or cross selling of your services, then also the CDH features are helping you. Cross selling means what? If he is using one plan with your organization, you are trying to promote another plan, okay, related to your organization only, then you are promoting offers for doing upselling. Okay, these are the different industries and different uh, features of CDH they are using. Then what are the different roles we may have in this CDH as part of decisioning and marketing? So we'll be having business analyst. So why this business analyst generally needed? They'll help you to configure the strategies. Okay, and then they'll monitor the performance. Means after creating your strategy, is that you have created in proper way, and whatever you have created some engagement policies or some models you have defined, are these are proper one or not? Everything will take care by the business analyst. Okay, and then develop like a development related one. So as part of decisioning consultant, just understand, so they can build the channels for sending the offers, and they can create some real time related data flows. Okay, so in the data flows you can call other rules also by using some smart sheets. Okay, so about these things we'll see in the coming sessions. And marketing related strategies, so for each company roles may be different, but the tasks you have to understand. So what this marketing strategist will do, so they can define the business objects. Means they can define some kind of campaigns. Okay, and then customer related engagement strategies also they can create. Okay, so here as part of the CDH feature, data scientist also will come into the picture. For what purpose? Here we are taking some AI rules help, right? So AI means artificial intelligence. Then by using the AI features and some kind of algorithms, okay, means machine learning algorithms, we are trying to calculate some kind of propensity values. Okay, based on that propensity value we can do promote offers in the best way. Okay, so that's what different roles of the people will come into the picture. Okay, so what are the certifications are needed? As I mentioned, CSA, CPDC, and data scientist also. If you wanted to do that is also you can do. Getting? Means if you have the knowledge on Python and AI related machine learning algorithms, you can do this certification. So yeah, this is all about our demo session. So in tomorrow session, don't miss to attend tomorrow session. In tomorrow session also we will discuss about further features. Okay, so market, yeah, always. Okay, so everyone will have their own thinking, right? So yeah, that's it from my end. So if you have any queries, you can ask, because it is not that easy, right, to give the trainings. Almost this is 36th batch. So to run 36 batches, it is not that easy. So definitely this course is helping to the people. So that's what we are just started the batches. Okay, so yeah, about CDH, clear everyone? What is this decisioning? What is marketing? And what is NBA and NBO? Clear? If it is clear, so in the tomorrow session, we will cover what is the backend architecture. Means what is this context dictionary? What are templates? Okay, and to work with the CDH applications, what are prerequisites we needed, means car models, X car models, all these things we'll see in the coming sessions. But as a new learner, just try to listen entire session and go through this session once again, because just by one time remembering all the technical terms, it's not that easy. So you have to listen this for multiple times. Few people may remember for one time, okay, few people may take three times, few people may take more than 10 times. So based on your capability, just try to understand the points and analyze the things, okay. Yeah, so this is from my end. Thank you, Satya. So after this session, I'll share this PPT and related documents. If we have any explanation related NBO and NBA, I will share. Okay. So if no doubts, you can leave. Then we can wind up this session. So thank you, everyone. So 15 minutes I have taken your time. So thank you for your cooperation.
Yeah. Thank you, Jens.
Thank you. Yeah.